Hello and welcome to this first video in the Unity 3D Rollerball game. And I'm just going to give you a little overview of what we're doing here. So this is the Unity game engine, and just like any program, it's going to be a little overwhelming at the start. But as you build this game, you should be able to become more comfortable with it. And especially when you add those modifications that you will later on, you'll gain appreciation how you can learn the code pretty easily and make something that you want to make. So first things, let's just see what we're going to make as the base game here. And it's a pretty simple game. We've got like a play area, as you can see down here. And then we've got our ball and we've got some pickups. So it's just basically a pickup game. So if I hit play here, and then down in this window here, this is our play window. And you can see the game here with a little bit of Pac-Man icon, and I'm just simply using the left and right, the arrow buttons, right, and then up and down arrow buttons to pick things up. Very, very simple. The count's increasing on the left side of the screen there, and then if I can pick them all up, I know, can I get it? Can Mr. Fleming get that one? Yes, he can. It says you win. So a very basic game, but it's going to teach you a lot of the stuff that you need to know to make your game. And you're going to follow this tutorial, make it just like this basically. And then once you're done, I'm going to give you the opportunity to try to add some different things. So for example, I mean, there's no sound in this game at the moment. You could add sound. You can make it a more interesting level instead of just this flat plane. You can put a timer in. You can create it, make it a two-player game. You can do a bunch of different stuff. And so we'll look at that once you get the tutorial done. But the first thing you need to do, obviously, is learn these basics. And that's what these lessons will do, these video tutorials. So you can move through them at your own pace there. And by the end of it, you should have a pretty good idea how Unity works. And that I look forward to seeing, your creativity in creating a game based on this with the modifications you add. All right, so let's stop this video here and get into making our game.